Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ki samla puli ka skul ba nehu kilami pat ba ban penrem me ka sarkar Meghalaya bari kinong penyat ke nehu namar ka jingkem ya u president ka nehu su samla sandi so otun bat yo rung ki pulit ha phalau jung ka skul ba. Ki pulit jung ke East Khas Hills District hagas ngining kong ka Arfradrik Yayong Arajar Arpsan kila kemi u President ka North Eastern Hill University Student Union nehusu kata usamla Sandy Sotun halor kajing sya keno ba udon ketiban syo yu Assistant Professor katanat Hindi Dr. Alok Singh ka skul ba nehu. Na kaliang ki samla puli nehusu kilami banra iki plakat berkilamayong banyat procession tawir ka phalau nehu. Ya kadai ke jing yalang penrem jing ki samla puli kadai ke jing ne be an jing ki pulit ban rung ha ka kut jing ka nehu ban kem ki samla nehu kumju ban keno ban pharep ki samla puli ba ki don kti ban penya pher jing mun da ka ba don kti ban sho ban dat ya unong hikai Hindi u samla toni ho kharsati ula kenthere ka sarkar bari ki pulit namar ki kam bamla long bat bam priang da ki samla puli Ayu pai ki samla puli ki dan ban ong nama ki samla puli ki bitar kumno ka sarkar ka kloi ban ai jingya da tang ya uwe ubrio da ki hispa andu phongot ki pulin utei unong hikai udei uwe ukraw hado katno kat bahi ki samla upha thwet lakum ki le no balei pha pulit perton bat CRPF kadai ban penklan jalebi ya ki jingya ki jingki samla puli U Dr. Alok Singh ula keno bahaga janmit jengka Arf Sautrik menta ubna yeyong kaladon ke jingwan rung kensan jengki kenhun samla hapo ka kamra jang u balayalam khamat do samla sandi sootun hagapor janmit La keno ru bagi ki samla ki shot dusmon da ka kenjat bat kura ya utei professor katanat Hindi ka balane hadu lai pau minute AA Kini ki samla puli kila pen abru da ka khanshi khapkon na rendang jeng unu professor ringkat ka berngam bersit bakin penyam Kani ka jing le riu khlau kini ki samla puli kla jiara ka jing keno ba unu professor ule politics ba thmu wanra ki jing sngo ye pher hapo ka school ba ka yeng ka shiri kla pengat judicial custody yo samla Sandy Sotun hadu nyosngi
on the pretext of preventing safety and security of the students. How do they dare to go and patrol towards the hostels of the students, towards female hostels, towards boys hostels and clicking the pictures? Is it not an infringement of our privacy?
Yes.
Do they think that the students of this particular university are all hooligans?
No.
Then why are they treating us in this manner? We have been very cooperative since day one. Allegation has come. It is the duty of the law and enforcement agency to do their job. And we are cooperating with them. But to this extent that they will come and drag by our necks and they'll release the students midway because they have done a mistake in identifying the students. Should we really accept such kind of explanations?
No.
Do we really deserve this?
No.
We have never seen such kind of incidents ever taking place in our university. But this time they have come. They have come for the president of the union. They might come for you guys next time. Any one of you who are of the dais. It is upon us to choose. Do we really want to suffer? Do we really want to live in this kind of oppression? Yesterday, let me tell you, from 4 p.m., we came to know initially, early in the morning, we had no idea that such police personnel have entered inside the campus. It was only later at around 3 p.m. we came to know from some of the students of Geography Department, Commerce Department, they said that some CRPF personnel have been deployed. What's the matter? When we went and talked with the Vice Chancellor in charge, we came to know that from the administration side, there was no such calling of any security personnel whatsoever, especially the CRPF, because there is no tension whatsoever prevailing in the university campus. There was no need of CRPF. Then who deployed them? Who sent them? How do they have the authority to send CRPF inside the campus? Just mere on the basis of the allegation. And now it is to be noted, just to protect one single particular teacher, why was 140 police forces being deployed? Are we all hooligans or what?
No.
Then why are they treating us like this? This is a clear violation towards the rights of the students, the rights of representation. You must be knowing, you must all know, it is an undisputed fact that the Students' Union have raised towards the system few months back, we have staged some protests towards the administration for their maladministration, for their ill behavior. But now what do we get in return? We get personal attacks. They come and arrest us with civil uniforms, without proper identification. Do we really deserve this?
No.
Do we really deserve this?
No.
Imagine you guys chose us. And we have raised our voice every now and then when we heard your grievances. Do we really deserve this?
No.
My friend, actions of the administration. There's a high time for us to raise our voices. We have been your voice since day one. And now we need your support in the noble cause, in this noble cause. We are not against the interrogation. We are not against the demand for investigation. We are ready to cooperate. Why? Because we know we are not guilty. We are ready to cooperate. We are not running away. But we don't deserve to be treated like hardcore criminals. That they'll come and drag us. This is not the way. We don't deserve this. None of you deserve this. We are gaining nothing from this. But the demonstration which we have set a few months back has set the university into momentous journey. I'm telling you, for all of you who have been staying here for quite a long time, you'll see that university is growing. For a very long period of time, the roads of the university were in a very bad condition. Hostels were never repaired. But now, it is taking momentum. We are seeing the difference. I hope every one of you are seeing.
Yes.
And after all this, what do we get? Such type of illegal arrest. FIR was filed on Friday. They waited Saturday, they waited Sunday, and Monday they came to arrest without proper identification, without proper police uniform. My friends, what has happened to one of our beloved friend of mine, the president of the union, can happen to any one of you? Just imagine. They just came towards a student leader. They can come and drag any one of you at any point of time. And that too without giving a proper notice. How will you differentiate whether they are students or whether they are police personnel if they don't come with proper uniform? Can you identify them?
No.
We are all university students. We have research scholars. We have postgraduate students. We have undergrad students who are all mature. We have all attained the age of majority. We know what is right, we know what is wrong. They don't have any authority to come and teach how we speak, how we talk. They don't have any authority to come and put surveillance on us and click pictures without taking the proper consent. Let me make it very clear. What has happened yesterday, it is unwarranted, it is unprecedented. It is unreasonable, it is arbitrary. It is a slap towards the student community of this university. And henceforth, we have called this particular gathering. And now, a time will come that all our voices will be called upon each and every one of you. Thank you so much for coming here. At least we can understand we are living, fighting for the rights. We are still, no matter how much they threaten us, we are a very peaceful and harmonious union and community, as you know. We are ready to cooperate with whatever direction they come as per rule, as per law and procedure. But if they violate, we are not someone we will just sit and listen to the oppression and become victims. We have right to choose ourselves. And the student union is choosing. Any police forces tries to enter this particular university illegally, suspension of classes. Why? Because this university is for us. What will happen to us? We will always be under constant surveillance in such a huge number. Do you really think just to protect one particular person you need? And that too, my friends, please keep this in mind. That investigation is already undergoing. But the kind of arrest which they made, this is very unwarranted and it is illegal. You can never arrest a person in the manner which they did. Without personals, they literally brought their inventories. They bought gas, they bought stoves, they bought blankets. What are they trying to create to our campus? Were they trying to create an army camp or what inside the campus? And thankfully, I am really thankful to all those students' friends who were there, who stood with us till 10:30. It was a really challenging time for us to drive them out. And on top of that, it was raining. But I really appreciate, after seeing all your dedication towards a goodwill towards the overall welfare. But today we have called this to prevent such unnecessary and unbecoming things in our university, in our country, so to say. We won't let anyone oppress us. And we don't listen to threats. If you come to us with clean hands, if you come to us with sticks and batons, we are ready to resist. And we have the every right to resist. To send whosoever they want in this particular institute. We have had precedent in this country. We know how do these police forces function. Without a proper justification, we cannot accept. It's not that we are restricting their entry, but what is concerning us, how are they entering the university? What kind of surveillance they are putting on the pretext of saying there is a safety and security concern. If at all there was a safety and security concern,
But ni sungtu syai babaro hangne nitep bagadai bet khnang tangban pentran ni kisamla pulie kiba yaki persya yo uni vice chancellor ninget ba uni vice chancellor nadu kasingi bangi yaki au benai November chamladan hakani ka university tamba udang trang dek bonwan sane ka university ke jongi udang wat dakino gilat dakino kilenti ban pharep hakajing sakam ka ba menen jong u presiden joka nehusu kamde tangka bot jong UVC Henry hangne lai dan ketilang dekini kina hikai bat dan du kini kena di badan kata affiliation bat kini kita kiseng kiba yarap para maki Henry ni stu sai badalele minum ailat uni UVC po unwan rong senes po ka university ko jungi mentas ni menen kasi ki thau ki kwa ban kem yo usandi sa oten kilayo Henry sakat nungot pat ngindang syakam ni sutu syai kan ka jingle jong ni u nahikai na po hindi department ngimtep manubal kasdang takut Henry la syupen penman bat la syupen kop badai kinong ilam jong kanai husu ni nakliang boro arseng ni kandam ya kan ka jingle ba ka jing syak pharap jong ni samla ubahap mentah tang na kidaw jongno bat ubami khmat ban kran na bata ka daw ba jongka university hi barakowei unhap ban mat ikiniki jing e mentah hangnie nyiyang hangnie baro amdei tang mga lani amdei tang kiniki para bayang hangnie kibadan hak teng ka jingma kidan namar blei ki kwa ban tiet kin bomingi banginum kran na bata ka sur jong pise baro ki pat ki pulih hani ka university am tangingi ki pat kasih hani university hendai na beta barok lang hidup mentah ni yang ni ban kran na beta ka hop jong pi iwei pa iwei kei ka banja pat hagi senam ki banwan manga mapi na kani po university ngin sami tang ars nem san senam bat news nem hendai kiwei pat ki mentang wan hakani ka university kei ka jing kinut ne kinum nut chu ban kran kiwan sa university bakin pulih hendai ni susi bangin hakmat sibun ki ngi hab ban yaki banyo tang itai wei ijing dan kam kiba dei kat kumkaan jongka nihuhi ni pet sebarok kiliang nadu ki hostel ki surok kini kitai kidap stand ki jing duna habang iut ni nami kita ki jing dan kam kiba dei basics necessities jongi isamla pulie mentangi hak ban syak hadu kan ni nalor kata kiwan yalam sai kita ki pulet daki pertan ki lawan yalam menen kesengi hadu skumbasi spa andre pautam ki pulet kiwan hane university kenang ban ai habang ikli hana bagi dan kam protection yo ta uwe no hikai hadu kat no long ta kumsan ta no hikai badai tang marwei bahadu sispa andre pautam kita ki kulit pertan kinwan hane po university kata kadai tang kajing pentame ngi ki students henry yo le se kadai kajing pha jong ni VC bat bakum no ba unwan rong bayang spok hane ka university kanang ba undup sok kisutu lada uwan hi marway klam ko protection jongno ngikum ki students nginum ailat dalele nginum ailat kattu ngila iki nadu sing ini kong khat rius ngi kenti ngila ya syak tkan hadu kini singi ki ba menta ngidang ya chkhmat ngidang persya ikni jingwan jong ne Henry gini gidi tang ki buat po kejong ni UVC ba unyo wan rong sini po university. Kila ban kem yengi Henry kinamla ban kem pat ya ka mensem ka ba ngidon ban yele na mata ka hok jong iwei pa iwei kena ba kuliah po kani ke university.
In this university, numerous sexual harassment cases towards the female students. That Vice Chancellor is not interested in solving those. However, upon receiving that one particular teacher has been alleged to have been assaulted, what does the Vice Chancellor do? He calls an emergent meeting of all the faculties of the university. Please note this. There are numerous sexual harassment cases that are pending that has not been solved yet. He is not interested in solving those. They're already pending cases. But when he comes to know that a particular teacher has been assaulted, or he alleged that he has been assaulted by the students' union, he take a proactive steps and he calls all the teachers of the university to come for the meeting and discuss how to decide this matter. Is it not shameful? Yes. Is it not shameful?
Yes.
Why do such kind of special privilege to be given to one particular person? Why I'm using the word privilege, it's because for one particular person, 140 police personnel, I don't think so. You know that this is not a very normal procedure. For one particular person, 140 police personnel are being deployed. Had it been any student, do you think that the administration would have taken such a proactive call? No. Any student.
Charge ng university. Kuman siong ya kajing aras kajong sama sendiri kalong sejak ka pengingim la pani accept kadaw kalong ba become follow ka proper procedure. Ki police personnel ki one arrest i sama sendiri sotun hakapor bakidang ye phong ka civil dress ka janjing. Bagi polis kim don tang kata kadak kasan bikin pen identify bagi gidi ki polis hok bagi ki wan ban kemi usama sendi sotun kuman syong hakapor bagi arrest usama sendi sotun kila arrest ro ya way pat way kena kidang mod bagi don ketilang kila ra lang ye borang ngut henry yo ta way kena pan kila penihar na gate 5 hakabaki ki ong ba ki bakla ban identify yo ta kena tekane ka jingla ka jong polis sisa ka wan ra ya ka jingkili ka ba khrido hato ka police force ka badai Kisah kabadi bala betah bentai ka bahkan maintain ka law and enforcement order hakan ka state ka jongi hakan ka jela ka jongi hatu ka tre hok se hakaba kim tip yano ki wan kem ki syara kelum kelam kumbara agi belang ki masih bagi thap ka keli jongi bagi penhapa di ki stang nanti yakum kene ka jingla jong ka pulit nakalen yo ka ni student senior bagi KC unit hi ni condemn ki ko men sai umde bagi ngi persya ya ka police force ngi ngi tho ngi don ka me ka police force and maintain ka law and order Henry la ki police kila izang ban akum ne kim phong ya kata ka uniform ka bakil de bedi ban phong ka por biki wan ban arrest kata claim ka waran kalong sijak ege ka ba ngila ka long sijak ege bu jingkli wa dengi ki student senior ro kumban suang ka dike basu case ka guideline yang tu ka case kala kren sai ka bor pilik ban arrest pidon ka man phong ya ka identification ka ba proper pidon ka man ka proper uniform pidon ka man ka name plate ka jong phi ha to bele ha ka ne ka incident ka ba banta claim follow ya kata kajingkli haba but pada kata kalong ba tangman protect ya tak way no hikai pi deploy hadu shis pak support plus ki police forces on top of that pi iru ki CRPF hadu kat no ulong special ulong corridor uta particular no hikai ken kuman syong ye pi kane ka case kaditang ka mere allegation hadu menta ka kane ki police forces kidang investigate ya kane ka case te believe nan ka manai hadu special preference hadu kata kuman syong ka jingwan dan ka police force apa ka campus kam de ki ka busunin sinin ka opos henry ha kano ka benta ki kiwan iklam pentip what ki police ya what ki authorities jong ka university kila shu rung kerlum keram ba kila shu asdang man thebe ki kena kila asdang man patrolling haki hostels kuman syong kila yong kila don ki ba ong ki hostel ki hostel kena kan thebe sendlang ki ong ba ki police jeep ki police bolero baki yawan baki zangman patrolling ki kena ki phone ki calling ki ong badun jinjai nakalian jungi ngingem tebe hapa kabor bangili kilisi administration nakalian jo administration ki ong kim tip wat ya ka benenga khindo ti yakum kene ka jingwan rong ka jong ka police Hakaba hakipor ki berim ki ong mangingim don ka jurisdiction hapo jong ka nehu kuman syong. Ka state government hi hakinrit singi ki por men sya kapor bengin kata ka jinge ki akapor ngi bengin pani ka jinge rap. Kada ong syai ong ba ngimla banyara pi namar bakam don ka jurisdiction jongi. Tementa na eipat kawan kata ka jurisdiction. Kinit kansan na eipat ki wan ban rung hapo ban rung hapo ka university jongi ban kam try ka university jongi khlam da pentip ki stakeholder jong university. Yakum gani ka jingla jong ka police force ngi condemn. Ina condemn si syah ina kalam ka students union, ni condemn si syah ina ka students community bagi stakeholder jong ka university. Ngi malak ban pediang. Nadu ka singi ban kau ngi ong ngi kloy ban cooperate. Kalau si syah kata ka allegation ngi kloy ban cooperate. Tang hakano ko ka ban cooperate. Ngi ko ay ka mutual cooperation. Aba pi kwa shisha ban toki de ka jing shisha ni kloi ban ai ka representation tang ba ba pinshuan ko me ba pinshu ya tap yangi ha ka kali bullet himda batai yangi ba ki ki charges under what charges are we being leveled upon believe kita kwa yangi ban ra yangi sa ki police station hakono ka banta hakono ka nung pi ko ban toki dingi lala pim batai shay kum kita nakalan yung students union ngin resist kumala pensay menen hi ada ki police force ki ko ban rung forcefully hapo ka university ni ngin call for indefinite suspension of classes. Bagi suspension jong classes kam dere bagi kena ki ko ban enjoy. Hindi ka di bangi ko ban peni bangingim kwa yakum kini ki jing tuklar jong ke police department khlam na don sisa kata ka nongrim ka bas camp. Nakalan jing ko ban betai shay hoy ka don ka jing skusi ka bakraw haga bau samna sendi sotun ulasha arrest illegally barni da kar paro tadi balong ka bala ka bhaba pin release no yo sendi sotun basta follow ka proper procedure tadi pikwa ka representation ngi klub ban ya ka representation Henry hakum kene ka jing syakyam kalong sisa ka ek ka bangingim la ban pediang kalong sisa ka ek ka bangingi kendam
Jingsha te kata ka jingsha kumba filai iru haki Instagram page jong ka IBVP filai ba utu dan u bentah hang tu te kumbala kilat pathai khubor kilat sakyang tu jing dan bentah jong ni ubrio wan hakani university ngimtep ladangi ngi mano ki wan wat ka political agenda ka jong u andre kani ka political agenda ka jong u mdei ban kentiu ki para hari kini ki pa khasi basa hakani ka dong kathan yaki samla puli badan hane ko university handrai ban yu raj ban ben yaki khna uji isi yaki khna ki balong ki badan kata ka jing et mta ban tre mta ka jaj ban reu ban tre na mta ki mat ki issue jong ka jaj ban reu ngidei kita ki khna ki ba tre ki ba buat bat ki ba tre hok na mta ka ri ba ka jaj ban reu ban kentiu ban yarap ki para khasi ngidei kum maujun thot akhmat jong Hadian ka jing statement jong diwai siam isto kata ka jingwan kem jong ki ni police force hapo ka university ka jongi kadai ka ba sya tambah ngim pediang pat ya ka jing kem ya uni samla ba ya lam ya ka ni husu namar ble ba la shuparap ya amdei klam dat yo ya ka daw ka ba hok kishuan kem kani dei tang ka jing persyang ban pentron ki samla kuliah ba yaki persya yu ni visi halwar ki kam ki ba shibun ki bela pensngau haki penai ki beladap lor ka tanak kulit ada kawan ka dari bandrong ha kanu pakai university ne kanu kino ki jaka kadan kam ban let kidan kam ban le tambah bandrong hapo ka university ka jongi nidan kam ya katkum ka university hi kadan kam ka jingbet ka university namar ba hakani ka university ka educational institute hakajing kumba filai imenen palat chispa andre pautam ki pulat ki ladan hania amtang state police den ki CRPF kajing wan jung ki menen ki let ki syura yuwe samla si narendang penhap se gate 5 let shandor ki kena ki bedang wan kuliah ki bedang ya napo na la ki kamera kelas let library let shandor ki itu kita hakajing small lengo iu waja jing sya ki pulat ki de ban ai security kena andre kiwan penting panwan ki kena